The 1970s were a time of major cultural shifts, technological growth, and changing lifestyles. But what might surprise many people today is how different the rules around food, health, and everyday products were back then. Many things that were once completely legal are now banned or heavily restricted, and for good reason. One of the biggest differences was the use of artificial food additives. In the 1970s, many processed foods contained chemicals that are no longer allowed today. Certain artificial dyes and preservatives were used freely, even though later research linked them to potential health risks. Another shocking example is how common it was to use certain cooking materials that are now considered unsafe. Some cookware contained harmful substances that could leach into food over time. Fast food was also beginning to rise during this period, and regulations around nutrition labeling were minimal. People often had little information about what they were actually consuming. Another surprising fact is how widely trans fats were used. These fats made foods last longer and taste better, but were later linked to heart disease and other serious health issues. Today, many countries have banned or strictly limited their use. Even food packaging was different. Materials used in packaging sometimes contained chemicals that are now restricted due to safety concerns. In addition to food, everyday habits were also less regulated. For example, smoking in public places, including restaurants, was completely normal. Today, this is banned in many areas due to health risks. Another major difference was the use of pesticides in agriculture. Some chemicals used in farming during the 1970s were later banned after being found harmful to both humans and the environment. Children's products were also less strictly controlled. Certain materials used in toys and food containers would not meet today's safety standards. Even portion sizes and dietary guidelines were less defined, which influenced how people ate and thought about nutrition. Looking back, it's clear that many of these practices changed as scientific research advanced. What was once considered safe and normal is now recognized as potentially harmful. Understanding these changes helps us see how food safety and health awareness have evolved over time. Another fascinating aspect of the 1970s is how everyday products were used without much regulation. Many of these items are now banned or restricted due to long-term health concerns. One example is certain types of food coloring. Bright, vibrant colors were added to snacks and drinks without much oversight. Later studies raised concerns about their effects, especially on children. Another surprising item is the use of specific preservatives that extended shelf life, but were later linked to health risks. Cooking oils and fats also changed dramatically over time. Some oils used in the past are now avoided due to their negative impact on health. Another major difference was the lack of awareness about food allergies. Many ingredients that are now carefully labeled were once used without any warning. Microwave technology also became popular during this period, but early materials used in packaging were not always safe by today's standards. Another interesting fact is how certain imported foods were handled. Regulations around food imports were less strict, allowing products that might not meet current safety standards. Drinks also contained ingredients that are now limited or banned in some regions. Even restaurant hygiene standards have improved significantly since the 1970 OS. Another major shift is how food is advertised. Claims that were once allowed are now regulated to prevent misleading information. These changes show how much has evolved in terms of food safety, health awareness, and consumer protection. The 1970 seconds may seem recent, but in terms of regulations, it was a very different world. Food culture in the 1970s was shaped by convenience and innovation, but not all of these changes were positive. Many practices that were once accepted are now viewed as unsafe. One example is the widespread use of certain packaging materials that could release harmful substances when heated. Another issue was the lack of strict guidelines around food storage and preservation. Processed foods often contained higher levels of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Another surprising fact is how little attention was paid to long-term health effects. Certain sweeteners used in the past have since been banned or restricted. Even beverages sometimes contained ingredients that would not be approved today. Another major difference is how food was labeled. Nutrition labels as we know them today did not exist. Consumers had limited information about calories, ingredients, and health risks. This lack of transparency made it harder for people to make informed choices. Over time, governments introduced stricter regulations to protect public health. These changes reflect a growing understanding of nutrition and safety. Looking back, it's clear that many improvements were necessary. The evolution of food laws shows how science continues to shape what we eat. Beyond food, many everyday practices in the 1970s would be considered unsafe today. For example, certain materials used in kitchen products are now banned due to health concerns. Another major change is how food is transported and stored. Refrigeration standards have improved significantly. Another surprising difference is how little regulation existed for certain industries. Even restaurant practices have become stricter over time. Another important change is public awareness. People today are more informed about what they eat. This has led to higher demand for safer and healthier products. Companies are now required to meet stricter standards. These improvements have helped reduce risks and improve overall health. The 1970 seconds were a time of transition, but many lessons were learned. Understanding these changes helps us appreciate modern food safety standards.